I just wanted to make this video to highlight the strange noise that this GoPro makes when it's connected to Wi-Fi. I currently have an issue raised with GoPro and have done about 3 or 4 firmware updates, hardware resets, SD card formats. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the video. I mean, I definitely can. In pretty much every video I've made, there's a helicopter noise. It's always the same frequency, the same speed, no matter where I am. So for instance, if I move away to the window, which should be a fair few meters away from the phone, the sound can still be heard. I mean, I can go outside. I've done this at work, I've done this out in the yard. I'm not near power lines, so it shouldn't be that. Anyway, so I'm just uploading this video for GoPro support, so they can hear the sound, but it's exactly the same as I've seen in other videos online.